You told us that after running away from him, you don't have any clear memories of what happened after that until hours later, right?
I have a few memories, but nothing super clear.
Okay, tell us about those memories.
I have a vague memory of putting the knife in the dishwasher, but I've put the knife in the dishwasher before, so I'm pretty sure it was that day.
Do you know where you got the knife from?
It was upstairs.
Okay. Are you assuming that, or do you remember that?
I'm assuming that. It hadn't been moved since he cut the rope.
What's that?
I don't think it had been touched by either of us since he used it to cut the rope.
Even using bleach doesn't get rid of DNA evidence. Are you actually telling me that she stabs him with a kitchen knife, drops it in the dishwasher, and that gets rid of DNA evidence when bleach won't do it, Jean?
Nancy, did they test the knives in the dishwasher? I've heard no evidence that they tested the knives. It has not come into this trial, not at all.
Those are the reports that I am hearing. I don't know if it's going to be introduced or not. That the state looked at the knives that were in the dishwasher. There was no DNA. Nothing was found. If that's true, Beth Karas, it's absolutely impossible to have gotten rid of DNA off of a knife by going through the soft rinse cycle.
True. Now, we did look at the pictures of the knives in the house, and there were some knives probably big enough to cause that massive slash across his throat that was 3.5, 4 inches deep all the way back to his spinal cord, and all those stab wounds on his back and torso. But the blade had to be at least 5 inches long. Now, 5 inches isn't all that long. A steak knife could do that. But if it was a big knife, like what caused that big slash across his throat, because that was a sharp knife. She wasn't like, it wasn't several cuts. It was one slash across his throat. One has to wonder, if her story is true, why a big knife like that was needed to cut that little rope for her wrist, which she says it was just a little soft, like a silk rope. Why would you need that? You just need a little knife or scissors or something. So she needed a reason for a knife being upstairs. And if it was something that big, she probably took it with her and got rid of it with the gun.